Hey, thanks so much for entering your email. Real quick before we get started, I want to introduce myself. My name is Carl Dunker and I'm the founder of Train in a Day. Aside from celebrating our 10th anniversary, we're also a leading provider of training courses, online courses, and in-house management and leadership training. And I want to share with you today our experiment that helped us dramatically reduce employee training costs by 90%, automate almost the entire learning process, and maximize our return on investment. So let's jump right in and I'll show you exactly how we delivered these savings. So if you've been training for any length of time, you'll know that learning begins with knowledge. The learner needs to have the fundamental principles of each subject delivered eloquently and professionally. Whatever the course, it needs to be credible, accessible, and engaging. All our learning is professionally narrated, written by experts, and can be accessed whether you're at a desktop, tablet, or mobile. Each subject is delivered in bite-sized chunks of a few minutes long before that knowledge is checked with a variety of quiz questions. The learner receives all the knowledge at a fraction of the cost, and they can revisit their learning time and time again. You see, what most people forget about classroom training is, as well as being expensive, it offers a one-time hit only, and it's the trainer, not the learner, who's in charge. This new approach delivers all the benefits without any of the downsides, and the learner has full control. When you access your learning area, you can track progress, test your learning with quiz questions, view professionally narrated videos, ask questions of your tutor, generate discussions with fellow students, access manuals and cheat sheets, gain a completion certificate, and access all this on the move via mobile or tablet. This is exactly how we set up our online learning, whether it be coaching others, employee motivation, communication skills, or confidence and assertiveness. The learner has access to everything, and all you have to do is direct your employee to the course. Whether it's negotiation skills or how to coach, we know that once we send your employee to our learning area, all the work is done. They have complete access, and you don't have to do a thing. So what we've gone ahead and done is we've created a really special opportunity for you to test this approach. As part of our 10th anniversary, for this month only, we want to offer you access to our complete coaching course. Right below this video is a little blue link where you can go check out that course. It's just £10. The Coaching Skills course walks you through how you can coach others towards their goals, build trust, deliver feedback, and everything you need to know about how to coach effectively. And just so you know, keep an eye out over the next couple of days as we'll be sending you examples, tutorials, and a whole lot more so that you can fully experience the learning. So keep an eye on your inbox. We hope we can save you some money, and to check out the coaching course, just click on that little blue link below this video. So thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.